Good morning, it's our first day to start the trekking for the Torong Lepa. It's 15 minutes to 9. We just had breakfast, an apple pancake and 2 boiled eggs to get our energy with the protein and carbohydrates. We have a nice weather this morning. We slept in this little room here. It was very nice. It was a little bit chill and cold in the night. We had our sleeping bags, obviously. It's a very beautiful cottage. Let's start our trekking. Suppose it's a very short trek, around 4.5 hours, the guides told us. Let's see, because we always found the unexpected. We only been half an hour and we came at the sign for the welcome Torong. Already out of breath, but it's really hot and I needed to drink a little bit of water. At the moment I have my backpack, it's a little bit heavy, but I need to drink more water, so I get rid of it. Nadine, how are you feeling?
Good, it's a bit hot, but
Ryan, how are you feeling?
Hello, alright. I'm not actually music Nepalese. Yeah, looking forward. I'm not much to really looking forward.
Okay.
Good.
Let's make it
happen.
Almost 12. My nose is like always dropping water with the cold, but it's still warm while walking, and sometimes it comes with a little bit breeze. We're taking it a little bit easier and we're seeing these beautiful mountains with snow. It's so amazing. So, we have been walking through the path that was with trees. It was really wonderful. I was enjoying myself, walking slowly and even taking a little big breath to fill our lungs. And this is really amazing.
That girl arrives.
How are you feeling?
Alright, this feels very nice. We are walking, we're soon getting to the food destination.
And we're hungry.
And we're very hungry. Everyone is tired and hungry, and let's go eat.
We arrived for lunch and we are with congratulations. How many are you? 2060. So we made it to here. So let's go and eat now. It's 4 o'clock. We arrived at our destination for today and we did 18.5 kilometers and we are at high altitude at 3,100. We are in separate rooms. Our room, my Mavric and I are up there. How are you feeling?
Exhausting but very satisfying. Very satisfying. It's worth all the sweat and the energy wasted.
Our hotel is in Lower Pisang and we came to Upper Pisang to visit the temple. It's very beautiful. Obviously we can't take pictures and video inside. And there's the Buddha. It's very nice with gold and stuff. It's really beautiful, especially with this view. We are living somewhere down there. That's Lower Pisang. This is Upper Pisang from up here. And the mountains. So beautiful. I never see this in Malta. So a peak, 6,091 meters. I noticed that every time we go accelerate the hill, the mountain, I noticed that the boys are being dirty. You know what I mean.
What about the dirty stuff?
Yes.
Just look at his back.